What's going on, fish tank people? MCD here, just showing a snid little video of my 14-gallon, my 14-gallon nano tank, a high-tech Planet tank. I've had this only up for about 2 weeks. A lot of this is just new cuttings put in and totally, a lot of different types of substrate, and I got a bunch of different plants. And I mean, this stuff is just taking off. It's crazy with how it's all set up. It's hard to kind of get a shot for you, a clear shot, especially being bright outside. But as you can see here, it's an Eco 14-gallon nano tank. Originally, it was set up for salt water. I bought it and I'm changing it and just starting it off. A week and a half has gone by, not doing too bad. Stuff is growing, and then about to do some clippings. I think I'll let it grow out just a little bit more. As you can see, some of it's already starting to really take off there on the bottom. We've got some really cool root growth right here by the dwarf sage. Just set it there. I've never really messed with the plant that much, just kind of seeing how it was going. I don't think it's going to be that much of a dwarf though. But anyways, I hope you liked the video. There's going to be more to come as it surely shapes the way I want it. The scape's not going to be the best right now because, like I said, I haven't done any trimmings. I want the plants to grow out a little bit more, fill in a little bit more. That way I can kind of get more of a better shot the way I like it. But anyways, here's my aquarium, my 14-gallon. Hope you all like it. Talk to you later.